We will now have a reminder about large language models. What we will see in this lesson: we will introduce transformers, hello transformers, we will introduce large language models, we will see which are the types of LLMs that are available now, and we will talk about foundation models. Hello transformers. In 2017, Google researchers introduced a new architecture called Transformer, a groundbreaking neural network architecture for sequence modeling. This advancement paved the way for influential transformers like GPT and BERT, which combine the transformer architecture with unsupervised learning, eliminating the need to train task-specific architecture from scratch. GPT and BERT achieved remarkable improvements in text understanding benchmarks, triggering the emergence of a wide range of transformer models. What are then large language models? Large language models are AI models often derived from the transformer architecture that excel at understanding and generating human language, as well as code and other forms of text. These models undergo training on extensive text datasets, enabling them to grasp the intricacy and subtleties of human communication. LLMs exhibit exceptional performance in various language-related tasks, encompassing text classification, generation, and more, with remarkable accuracy, fluency, and stylistic fidelity. Why now large language models? The success of LLMs and transformers can be attributed to the convergence of various key ideas such as attention mechanism and transfer learning. Since 2017, the adoption of transformers are emerged, fueled by accessible libraries and repositories like Hugging Face transformers, making their usage and deployment more convenient than ever before. Within 2001, neural language models started growing. In 2013, there was a breakthrough with Word2Vec that was encoding semantic meaning into numbers. From 2014 to 2017, there was an evolution to sequence-to-sequence models and improvement of attention models, and finally, from 2017 until now, there is the emergence of transformers models and LLMs. Which are the applications beyond text that LLMs can achieve? LLMs have found significant application in the healthcare industry, such as processing electronic medical record, matching patients to clinical trials, and aiding drug discovery efforts. In finance, LLMs are employed for tasks like fraud detection, sentiment analysis of financial news, and even deploying trading strategies. LLMs play a pivotal role in automating customer services through chatbots and virtual assistants. Their versatility and exceptional performance make transformer-based LLM highly valuable across several industries and use cases. Which are the types of LLMs? LLMs excel in a variety of tasks due to their ability to model the language. LLMs predict the likelihood of sequence of tokens from a known vocabulary. Autoencoding and autoregressive tasks are the two main types of LLMs. What does it mean, autoencoding? Autoencoding LLMs, such as BERT, are trained to reconstruct the original sentence from an altered version of the input. They create a bidirectional representation of the entire sequence without any restriction, allowing them to capture contextual relationships effectively. Which are the autoregressive types of LLMs? Autoregressive LLMs, like GPT, predict the next token in a sequence based on the token that came before. These models focus on capturing the sequential dependencies within the text, enabling them to generate coherent and contextually relevant outputs. And we go to foundation models. Foundation models are all AI models such as LLMs that are designed for wide-ranging application, but their development necessitates adherence to specific obligations, requirements, and information provisions to ensure transparency, risk management, and compliance with regulation. Providers of foundation models must demonstrate compliance with Article 28b of regulations, encompassing throughout design, testing, and analysis to identify, reduce, and mitigate foreseeable risks associated with health, safety, fundamental rights, the environment, democracy, and the rule of law. What we have learned in this lesson. In 2017, Google researchers introduced the transformer architecture, paving the way for influential models such as GPT and BERT. LLMs are often derived from transformers and excel at understanding and generating human language. LLMs predict the likelihood of sequences of tokens from a known vocabulary, with autoencoding and autoregressive tasks being the two main types. Finally, foundation models must adhere to specific obligations, requirements, and information provision to ensure transparency, risk management, and compliance with regulations.